Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Here we are. It's been a while since we've been vlogging. Here we are. We're still under the weather, but I wanted to do a little video. Madge isn't going to be very talkative, that's for sure, because she's kind of struggling still more than me. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Fontana Pharmacy and get a little something to maybe help us feel better, and so we can be back to sending out some great vlogs. But since we're at Fontana, I thought, what a perfect opportunity to go clandestine into Fontana with my camera. So I don't have my stick or anything. I'm just gonna hold it in my hand, tiny, and see how it goes. So here we go. Okay, we got a lot of background music and stuff here, so I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to use, but I'm sure going to try. But here we are at the cough drops. Yeah, it's an exciting video, isn't it? Showing the cough drop section at Fontana Pharmacy. Yeah, that's a big, exciting video. This is going to be very exciting. All right. You know, I want to go up to the second floor. Can I go do that while you're doing this, or no? Okay, all right. I got all kinds of cough syrup and everything here, it looks like. You know? That's for children. Yep, that's the children's section. We're big people. We call them two arms. Yeah, night candy. We'll put by this. Oh, it's Panadol, but it's got a little extra something in it. Oh, we could just buy a bottle of rum, you know. Put our own lime and honey in it. I'm just saying. That's all. See, old time remedy right here. Honey time, honey, rum and lime. Cough and sore throat relief. You know, my throat doesn't really hurt right now. I just sound like I'm probably about half dead, but I'm not. I don't feel bad, other than my body just feels fuzzy. Just feels fuzzy everywhere. I don't know why I'd have a fuzzy body, but I do. I got a fuzzy body. So we definitely, though, ought to get some of these menthols or something, you know. These menthol cough drops. You know what I'm saying? A boss? You know what I'm saying, boss? My boss don't want to say nothing. My boss can't hardly talk. Oh, my poor boss lady can't hardly talk. Okay. Chesty cough. I don't really have it in the chest yet, but I could get it there. I've got cough syrup already. I got cough syrup. Oh. Yeah. I got cough syrup from my ear doctor. Oh, look at this. Wow, is he like a, what do we got here? Is he like a movie star? Hello. Are you famous? Almost. Are you famous? You're famous now because you're going to be on YouTube.
There you go.
See?
Did
you write the book?
Yes.
You what? Get out of town, dude. I never knew anybody your age to write a book. When I was your age, I wanted to write books, and my big brother laughed at me.
Oh dear.
He said, nobody gonna want to read books about rabbits and stuff. So tell me about your book. Does it have rabbits in it?
Rabbits?
Rabbits. Uh-oh.
There's a picture of a rabbit.
Uh-oh,
right?
that's, see, my brother, he said, but I'm gonna show him this video and prove to him.
It's a bilingual book for ages 3 and older. It has 11 different topics that your child can learn from. It has a pen and it has a dry erase marker.
Cool. You're gonna have to speak up though.
Yeah, you have to.
You gotta use your outdoor voice. Use your outdoor voice.
And it's by Octo Kids.
Okay. What? Oh, I got a card. Let's zoom in on the card. And what's your name?
I'm Joshua McGee.
Joshua?
Yes.
And how long ago did you write the book?
Well, it's been in production since June and February.
Wow.
For a couple months.
Wow. Are these your parents?
This is my
That's your mom? How, you know, I could tell she might be the mom because if you look around the store, who's got the biggest grin right now? She got the biggest grin.
Yes.
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 Mom,
So I guess I can tell you more.
use your
about the
outdoor
book.
voice so
This is
everybody
my
can hear you.
outdoor. Okay.
Tell us about your
So-
son.
He's 10 years old.
Uh-huh.
He's the inspiration behind the book. It's for 3 years and older. Maximum age is 8. And it's English and Spanish. And it's touch and written where you can erase what you write.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah. 11 topics. I think he said that. We have 11 topics in the book. And it has games. You can press the quiz button, so it goes through games. So it carries the child through a quiz, and they touch and point out what they ask.
And if I got a granddaughter that's 5 years old, would this be good?
Yeah.
And you can purchase on Amazon.
It's on.
Oh, I gotta go to
as well.
Amazon.
It's also
Here,
on
also
Amazon.
on Amazon.
So it's
Oh, I
here
see.
in store
Okay.
and also on
Okay.
Amazon.
How much are they?
7,200 plus tax and store.
Oh, yeah. Well, I got to go talk to my wife. She's over here looking at cough drops.
She's a master.
But I found something way more exciting. Are you the father or are you just the photographer?
I'm not a photographer.
Okay. Okay.
Supporting friend.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Well, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so glad I ran into you guys. Tap and learn. It's a good way to learn. Congratulations, Mom.
Thank you.
All right, you heard it here. You never know what you're going to run into when you turn your camera on in Fontana Pharmacy looking for cop drops. All right. You can watch this on Red Button Journal. Red Button Journal. It's like the button on your shirt, except it's red and it's a journal. Miss Madge, I did a whole interview over here while you were... This boy wrote this book over here. This boy over here, he wrote a book. A children's book that's a learning book with... It's touch and learn. So it's kind of like multimedia,
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I got the money.
Oh, this look at it. What will this?
You got to take that up there to tell them what you want. Yeah. Okay. We'll get plenty of those. Get a couple of those.
That you can eat them.
Yeah, so I can eat them like candy.
But it's not that.
Well,
Look different one. You can.
oh, okay. Well, what's another one I should get here?
Yeah.
They're a reasonable price. Menthol and eucalyptus. I'm going to try that one. Okay. Okay, how does it look, people? Is that the new me? What do you think? Is that the new me? Huh? It looks my head's too big. My head's great. My head's way too big. I gotta find a bigger one. That's not the right size for me.
Well, this one.
I don't know. Maybe it is.
Ah, these kind.
Well, let me try this one. We'll try this one. My head's too fat. My head, look at my fat. It could work. Okay. I need one for a big head. I need a big head hat. None of these small head people hats. I gotta get a fat head hat. Ooh, look at the view out the window here. Look at the view out the window. How you can see the side of the... Wonder if this is picking up in the camera. All right, people, we finished our big excursion into Fontana's. Bought all kinds of candy and, well, not really, just a few marshmallows and some M&Ms. But it turns out they got a Wendy's down here. Madge is kind of interested in going to. Madge is interested in going to Wendy's. So we don't know what we're going to Wendy's for, but probably get something to eat, so we don't got to fix nothing at home. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know they had a Wendy's in Jamaica. I don't know why I would think they didn't. They don't have any McDonald's anymore, but I don't think they do. Should we go on Wendy's here? We can. You know, unless you want to take our stuff to the car first. Unless you want to take our stuff to the car. You know? Let's do that, maybe. Plus, I got to get out here in the heat. That air conditioning is about making me sick in there. Whew, it's too much for me. You know? Sorry, people. Hopefully this video is not too boring because we're both sicky today. And we got enough medicine. We can't be sick for much longer. And we got to walk clear over here to cross. Yeah. Well, I'm weary. I'm weary, weary, weary. All right, people. Tom's not in the mood for Wendy's.
Head north on Upper Waterloo Road toward Annette Crescent.
Madge is tired of talking about it, so we're going to Island Grill. Yeah, we're going to Island Grill. Here's Mega Mart. We've never been there. I tried to look about it to see if it made it, if you had to get paid to get in, and I never could figure it out. So, anyway, we're on the road, as you can see, people. Okay. Oh, those are big.
Yeah, 500 for one.
Okay. And we got some waters.
I want it.
Aren't these waters?
No.
Oh no, they're biggest.
They are sodas.
Oh, I thought they're sodas, not waters. Okay. I would have come over there and done a video of you picking everything out, but I didn't think I could get the door.
The road's so busy.
Yeah, the road's too busy and I couldn't get the door open over here. So now let me see if I can get back on the road. I pulled up on the curb here. I have to figure out how to get off of here without damaging the car.
Here is so busy.
Yeah. So anyway, but you got a few things you wanted on alongside the road. So, okay. Okay, people, we made it to Island Grill, but Madge spotted some sweet sop over here. We got to check out the sweet sop.
Hello, selling sweet sop? No, selling one sweet sop. Where's the sweet sop? No one is not the other way. I treat you on. Huh? What happened?
Huh?
Well, what'd you buy them for then?
I don't think they're any good.
Yeah, but yes, sir.
Huh? Say what?
Because that's a good deal. Not really a good deal.
Well, what'd you bother to buy them for then?
Because I want it.
Oh, okay. You must really want them if it's not a good deal, and you don't like the looks of them.
No, you see, you know, this is like a big one and over selling over this thing. 12 bills. Never see me. Based on the man, look at them, big and nice. You see them here? No.
Yeah. No.
You look at when me buy the after me buy them go or the money be small.
Yeah. I'm asking her why she bothered to buy them. I don't know why she bought them. I wouldn't.
Me see my pay and I call them but they never there look.
Oh.
Go carry what? Say I might have cheapest price I know. I keep nothing in the smaller, let me right?
Huh? No, she don't. She said we got some. She's a shopper.
Which time?
You ready to go over here? All right. Thank you. Well, here we are, Island Grill. It's the only second time in my whole life I've been to an Island Grill. You know that? And it's been over 3 years since I've been to an Island Grill.
I'm talking about the soup.
Oh, you're gonna get soup? I'm gonna get a chicken box of some sort.
Does look like you want to see you go.
Well, the menu keeps moving. I can't keep track of it.
Yeah.
About the time I get focused in on it, it changes. Well, now the menu's all together gone. Oh, now it's back.
Large soup. Large soup.
Okay.
And you get the food festival with the large soup.
Might have to have you run the camera while I pay. I'll have to have you run the camera while I pay. Can you handle that or no? You're too nervous. Make you too nervous? Huh? You'll see? Oh, you'll pay? Instead of run the camera, you'll pay.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
I'm not too long.
Okay. I want to get the just enough max
Jerk or barbecue?
jerk.
Would you like anything to drink?
No.
And one large soup.
Chicken or the red beans?
Chicken.
That is festival. Do you like anything else?
No.
So that's the max just done. And that's a large chicken soup with 2 festival. That will be 2,260.
She's gonna pay for it because she don't want to hold the camera. She's not holding the camera.
After that thing, Ticket number 246. That's a combi.
246. Okay, thank you. 246. They'll say it. They'll holler it out. And that's how we'll know. That sign is so cool, the way you have it backlit, you know? The sign. I just like their sign. I just keep wanting to take pictures of their sign. But, you know, at some point, people just get tired of seeing pictures of the sign. They want some action. You know? They want some big action. You don't want me to take it with me and take everybody's picture? No, you can take it. You can take it. You can hold it. Okay, here you go. Oh, you didn't even turn to look at me. What kind of cameraman are you? He's just sitting there sleeping. I thought you were running the camera because you couldn't take a picture of me when I went up there. Thank you. But instead you're just sitting there, you look like you're asleep. Sleeping on the job. There you go, sweetie. Yeah, there should be 2 apiece in there. There should be 2 apiece in there. Yep. I already checked. That's the only thing I checked. I didn't check nothing else. I just made sure we had enough festivals. 2 with the soup. 2 with the soup and 2 with mine. All right. Later. The viewers and subscribers, we're so sorry this is such a boring video, but we got to do something, you know, and hopefully as time goes on we'll get all healed up and we'll be back in the saddle. So be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe for more from Red Button Journal, for the latest from Red Button Journal. Whew, don't even know how to say it anymore. But bless up yourself and big up yourself. We love y'all. Later.